Hi! So, bigyan ako ng gift ng aking research advisor sa college individually. So, we're going to unbox them! So, dito lang ako sa boarding house na video. It's because mahiya man ako sa office kanina. So, let's start from Zaira. So, natanggal na siya kay Philco. Whiteboard marker lang yun siya. Okay, so from Zaira. In no particular order. Okay, start tayo kay Zaira. Ang design ni Zaira is a planner. Journal. This is nice. Oh my gosh, kinanglan ako ni. Mga meetings. To-do list. Look, kinanglan ako ni. To-do list. Oh my gosh. No, how cute. I was planning to buy something like this too. Okay, I have to be more organized with the job that I have. This is cute. At tapos matanggal siya. Naasay ka ng lines, guys. Nga ka ng, pwede mo siya, kag gision good. It's easy to tear. Gision. Dali gision. Tear. This is cute. Thank you, Zaira. Okay, next. This one. From Hiran. Okay, so this is from Hiran. Luckily, dili makaro pa ang wala pa na erase. Dili siya na erase jud og bongga. Maklaro pa ang names. Di na to tanawon para na element of surprise. Ano siya? Okay, come on na. It's a bag. Bakit sa bag, uy? It's a cat. So cute. Pwede na ko siya butang sa mga gamit. Dalon. Muna niya akong official na mga power banks and charger na mga bag. Or maybe makeup kit. I think mas better ang makeup kit. No? Mag-makeup na lang. Perfume and such. Thank you, Hiran. Okay. Next. Kasabog sila ha. From Sahara. Sahara Desert. Pa-joker ka dito ha. Napakay tayo mag-joke ha. Okay. Wala. Mag-isi. Sabi pwedeng stapler mura di magpa-open. Tapos kanya grabe pagka-stapler. Mag-isi. Bukod ganon mag-isi ang paper bag. Okay, one stapler down. 2 more to go. 2 stapler down. And last one. Ano kaya ito? Ano kaya ito? It's a slipper! Timing! Kasi yung slipper ko dito sa boarding house na sira na. It's a nice slipper. Doon pala sa office. Sira niya yung slipper ko doon sa office. It's cute. Ganun ko sa mga gift. It's very thoughtful. It's slipper. Pangutana mo kaigo sa akong tiil kay medyo dako ka batag tiil. No? Okay, igo siya. Hindi na ko ipakita ka syempre. Lain sad. Pero igo siya. Thank you. That was from Sahara. Kay Zaira, kay Hiran, kay Sahara. Okay? Next is from Rose Ann. Stapler na po siya, so medyo kailan ni kay medyo sturdy ang sudlanan. So dili kay ko makulbaan og Ano to para na element of surprise. Element! So, medyo confident ko mag-video kay wala kay tao dito sa boarding house. Pero dito mo sa office kay medyo daghan. Okay. Kamu una tanaw. Okay. Ooh, it's a bag! Oh, it's Belinda. Wow. Nice. And it's spacious. Oh, two-way siya guys. So, pwede dire, pwede po sa pikas. Oh, it's a bag. Actually, I've been planning to buy different colors sa bag. It's because ang color sa akong bag is white, gray, at saka white, gray, black. So, wala pa ako medyo masyado ng brown. So, I think this is perfect. Diba? So, kaya para, bagay siya sa akong outfit. Bagay siya sa akong outfit today. Oh, charis. Oh, so maglaglag ko. Thank you. It's a bag. Okay, so that was from Rose Ann. And last but not the least, from Dirky, si Dirk. Si Dirk na pinaka-overthinker sa ilang tanan. Siya ang leader, pero siya ang pinakauna mag-overthink. But, I believe, as time passes by, kay nakatuon na siya paano magkalma siyang sarili. Although, physically, sa facade, char. Sa outer appearance, kay kalma kaayo siya, but I know inside, na siya, ginakulbaan na siya, overthink na siya. So, so pahipod, medyo ang paper bag, fragile. So, isa-isa na to ang mga stapler. And then, I'm trying my best jud na dili siya ma-open. Agad-agad so that may element of surprise pa. Okay. So, last but not the least, kay Dirty. Sa kaya ang gift. Una mo. Okay? Sige, ansa siya. Oh! A turtle! Ansa ni? Related dun sa mong study. I-connect na ko ni. Kaya tungod, ang study mo good na mo is kaboom. So, it is kapok, sorbent boom. So, kapok, sorbent boom. Ka from kapok and sorbent boom from sorbent boom. Kaboom! Oh, diba? What ang title? And the purpose of kaboom is to really, to absorb oils in the ocean so that we could save our planet, specifically our animals that is living in there. Na-connect na ko. So cute. Taga magtanaw ko na ma-remember na ko nga, I could remember all of the animals that could be saved with the study that we have. So, meron talaga siyang potential. Thank you, Lord. Nag-blend in siya, oh. Okay, so, dagdag naman sa mga animals. Dagdag naman sa mga stuffed toy ko dito sa boarding house. So, sa boarding house, meron akong, ito siya si Mr. Boba. Ito, Kaboom ang pangalan ko. Si Kaboom. And then, this is Peter. Bakit Peter? Kasi Peter yung pangalan na nabigay. At saka si Lingling. Ito, si Lingling. Lingling, ito yung gibigay ng boyfriend ko. So, madami na akong mga stuffed toys dito. Perfect. Oh, they're all so cute. So, these are the gifts from my research advicees. Thank you very much for giving me these gifts. Although, isa. Thumbnail. So, although, thank you would be enough for me. Thank you would be enough for me, and then putting my name in your research paper is already big enough, and I've seen your gratitude with it, but you extended your appreciation towards me through these gifts, and I truly appreciate it. And also, nagbigay sila ng cake din. Unfortunately, nahulog sa tricycle. Dagan mo dala kay tungod sa ilang mga gifts pang hatag. No, nasira na siya. I wanted to show it pa naman. Pero sige lang. So, it's a cute cake. Supposedly cute. Tapos, nahulog siya sa tricycle. But it is still, it is still edible because it's still clean. So, nahulog siya with the box on. Okay, so, inang tamudaan na. Sige, judge na ko ninyo. And then, that's all. Thank you for watching, and thank you to my research advisee. First and foremost, thank you for entrusting me to be your advisor. Syempre, sila mong good ang magpili silang advisor. Thank you po sa pagsabot sa ako, especially kay medyo katumagod ng mga moments, medyo busy ko ba kay daghan kay ko kanang ginatrabaho. There's a lot of papers that I have to finish to create, and also we are applying for a certain things in our school. That's why we're so busy. We are preparing those papers. So that's why medyo busy ako nung panahon na yon. And then yun. So pag magpuntayan sila sa amin sa office ko, medyo busy ako kaya ganon. So thank you for understanding my situation. But kahit na ganon yung situation ko, you still believed in me to be your advisor. And I do hope, in the future, you will create better studies. You will continue with the research. I know it is really tedious, time-consuming, and draining, but it is something that we should be welcoming in our life because it is something that could help us. Not just us, but also with our community. We could help our community with your talents and skills. So I believe with the talent that was given to you by the Lord Almighty or by Allah, since meron akong Muslim na student din. So yun, may you continue to be curious with the world, and I do hope in the future na you will have the confidence in yourself to trust yourself in everything that you do, because I believe you could do a lot of great things in the future. So it's just that nangunahan lang kayo ng pag-overthink nyo. So hopefully you will lessen that, although that is something that is my weakness when I was younger, in your age. Medyo nag-overthink ako. Although overthinking is okay, but at a minimum healthy way, a healthy amount. Because if it's too much, overthinking is just as bad as underthinking. By Clove sa Valorant. So yun, do not overthink, just trust yourself, and do not be doubtful with yourself. I'm so proud of you. Thank you.